Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to save Canva images from previous designs. This is a great way to reuse elements and keep things running smoothly. On the Canva dashboard, to access previous images, all we need to do is click on Projects on the left side of the dashboard. From there, we just click on Your Projects. We can then pick any project we have worked on before. If there is a specific project we want to open, like this one here, and there is an image we want to save, all we need to do is click on the image and then download it to save it to the computer. We can choose the file type, such as PNG, and then click Download. Once it is saved, we can use it whenever we need it. For example, if we want to upload it to our uploads so it is always easy to find, all we do is click Upload and then click Upload again. Once that is done, we can find the image right here. As we can see, it is now available in our saved images. That is how we save Canva images from previous designs.